Tacurong, once a barangay of Buluan, Maguindanao, is now the only city in the province of Sultan Kudarat. The name of the city originated from the word Dalakudong, which is the name of the hat worn by early settlers. The city is found at the crossroads of the municipality of President Quirino, which is the gateway to the province of Maguindanao. The provincial capital, Sultan Kudarat, is Sulan, and the road that leads to Jensan. The city of Tacurong has the smallest land area in the province, approximately having 15,340 hectares of land. But within these small hectares of land is a thriving city with many different opportunities. Tacurong also offers different handicrafts to tourists and locals alike, all of which are made by the locals. One of these handicrafts is the Water Hyacinth Handicraft. An association called Double Day Handicrafts are creating handicrafts from the dried water hyacinth plants. The association was founded on 2009. It is owned and handled by Miss Melinda Bonayos. She has helped mothers around their barangay to have a source of livelihood for their families. The association is also supported by the Department of Trade and Industry. The handicrafts are made from an aquatic plant called water hyacinth. The water hyacinth is a floating perennial plant that can grow up to 3 feet in height. It is a plant similar to the water lily. The production starts from the water hyacinth plant. The stalks of the plant are cut off from the roots. After harvesting the stalks, they would be dried out either under the sun for 7 days to 2 weeks or by being placed inside a drying machine for 8 hours. The machine would be able to contain 500 stalks of water hyacinths. After the stalks have been completely dried, they would be going through the flattening machine until they are completely flat and firm enough for weaving. Sometimes the weavers would need to have colored stalks of water hyacinth, and so they soak these needed stalks in a dyeing bath for an hour, letting it dry before proceeding to the next step. Once the weaver has enough flat dried stalks, they would now begin the process of weaving. The weavers use a cardboard box as a guide or base for them to weave on. A single bag usually takes one weaver 2 to 3 days to finish. After the product is finished being weaved, they sew on a lining inside the bag, place zippers, and varnish the outside of the bag to keep it from deteriorating. They add a synthetic cord as a handle and add different kinds of embellishments on the product. Double Day Handicrafts creates different kinds of souvenirs, not just bags. They make pouches, sandals, lace, and wedding souvenirs, all made from water hyacinth and other plants as well. Double Day Handicrafts has been supported by the local government and the Department of Trade and Industry by giving them support and providing them the machines that they use for creating handicrafts. DTI aids Double Day Handicrafts in joining conventions in other places in the country like Davao City and Metro Manila. The city of Tacurong is also visited because of the Baras Bird Sanctuary, which is the largest bird sanctuary in the Philippines. The park has 20,000 different kinds of birds. Most of them are migratory birds like the egret. The City of Goodwill. Tacurong City has brought commerce and culture to the province of Sultan Kudarat. With its flourishing commercial industry and agricultural industry as well, the local scene is still always filled with culture and history. Just like the mission of the city in aiding its community, Double Day Handicrafts helps the locals raise themselves up from poverty.